Are you looking for a bass guitar? In this video, I will show you the 5 best bass guitars based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the String GSR 205. An affordable lightweight 5-string perfect for a new player or a working musician with fat 2-active powerful bass boost. For more than 30 years, the Ibanez Sound Gear series have given bass players a modern alternative. With its continued popularity, Ibanez is constantly endeavoring to answer the wider needs of a variety of players, at a variety of budgets. But no matter what the specs, the heart is the same. SR continues to excite with its smooth, fast neck, lightweight body, and perfectly matched electronics. The 4th product on the list is the WASHBURN 4-string. WASHBURN Taurus Series 4-string bass featuring maple mahogany neck-through construction. Gig bag included. Truly an achievement, these basses are professional level in every way, from the fine woods and finishes to the high-quality components. You'll be stunned by what you can do on these instruments. The T24 won a Bass Player Magazine Editor's Choice Award for outstanding construction. The T25 is a 5-string version of the T24. The 3rd product on the list is the SCHECTER STILETTO Extreme 4. An ultra-playable solid body bass with a beautiful contour and gorgeous quilted maple top. This bass is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Offering incredible tonal versatility, the STILETTO Extreme 4 can play anything from jazz and blues to hard rock and metal. The body is complemented by a super-fast maple neck and rosewood fingerboard with cool vector inlays to provide bright characteristics, bringing warmth to your sound with sparkling highs and firm lows. Dual diamond bass pickups offer a wide tonal range with a dual coil design for low noise, high output, and a powerful low end. The active two-band EQ lets you tweak your sound to suit every playing style. Complete with black chrome hardware, Schecter tuners, and diamond bass bridge, the STILETTO Extreme 4 is the ultimate bass guitar. The 2nd product on the list is the YAMAHA TRBX 174EW. You're the bedrock of your music. The foundation. The fundamental. The link. You need an instrument with the strength and power to perform. An instrument that gives you the freedom to innovate, create, and push the boundaries. You need a bass where everything's just right. Sound, feel, looks, nothing comes second. This is TRBX. This is the bass you've been waiting for. With Yamaha's unique combination of advanced design, precision engineering, and time-honored craftsmanship, the Yamaha guitar development team has created the perfect instrument for bass players who aren't ready to compromise. The 1st product on the list is the BEXGEARS DIY electric guitar. DIY kits for electric guitar: okame wood body, maple neck and composite ebony fingerboard. Curved top with mahogany veneer, 22 frets, inlay on fingerboard, 6-string, 3-way switches. Butter-colored pickguard, 2 humbuckers and all electric parts included. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.